Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the dollar index overall, I actually think that it's going to keep on going up. I think this is possibly the end of a three-way pattern on the daily time frame. If that is true, then it should potentially make higher lows, higher lows, and likely is going to go up and give us a break of structure of the wave B. Then maybe we'll get like a larger pullback and then another continuation of the uptrend. So definitely bullish the dollar. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it looks like we're in a little bit of a pullback right now, which is actually good news because that could be an opportunity to go long again the dollar. So we got our Fibonacci retracement on here. I would expect to see a little bit of a bigger pullback, maybe a 30-50% pullback, maybe something like this. If I do see some sort of a 50, 38% pullback and then a nice engulfing move to the upside, then I definitely would take it as a long. I definitely would go long the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.